In this video, I will show you 4 simple steps on how I am promoting high ticket affiliate programs and making high ticket affiliate commissions. So watch the full video till the end. So the first step is you need to become an affiliate for the high ticket affiliate marketing program. So in the first step, you need to promote a high ticket affiliate program that is also high converting. So you can make a lots of high ticket sales. So now in my case, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer high ticket affiliate program. So Legendary Marketer is a digital marketing education platform and they teaches people how they can make money online with affiliate marketing. So here you can see right now I'm in the Legendary Marketer website, and here you can see this is the founder of Legendary Marketer, Dev, right? So Legendary Marketer basically teaches people how they can make money online with affiliate marketing. And Legendary Marketer also have a great high ticket affiliate program. So the front end product of Legendary Marketer is only for $7, which is a 15-day business builder challenge. But they also have a high ticket products at the back end. So the products is for $2,000, $3,000 and even $5,000. So if someone purchase through your link, then you will get a $1,000 commission per sale. So Legendary Marketer is the best and high converting affiliate program to promote. Now the second step is you need to create a content on social media to promote the high ticket program. So right now I'm creating a content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts. So here you can see this is my TikTok account and I'm creating a lots of TikTok video to promote Legendary Marketer as an affiliate. So I know that Legendary Marketer teaches people how they can make money online with affiliate marketing. So I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, or they already start affiliate marketing but they don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way. That's why I'm creating a short form content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts. So I'm creating a content on TikTok and then I post the same video on Instagram Reels as well as on YouTube Shorts. So I will get a more views and I will reach out to more audience. So now I will show you one of my TikTok videos so you can understand that what type of content that I'm creating which is going viral. So in this video, first I give people hook that if you want a super friendly beginner way to earn money online, then you need to start affiliate marketing. Here you can see this is my hook. And then I tell people that why affiliate marketing is the best. So in affiliate marketing, you don't waste your time on creating a product or service. You don't need to worry about a fulfillment and you don't need to do any customer support. And then at the end of this video, I give people call to action that if you want my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So in all of my videos, I use a hook, story and offer formula. Offer means call to action. So in all of my videos at the end, I tell people that if you want my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. Because I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, so they are also interested to getting my free affiliate marketing case study. So now in a step 3, you need to build a funnel to capture people's email address who view your content. So I told you in step 2 that in all of my video, I tell people that if you want to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So here you can see this is the link in my bio. So once someone click here, then they come into this page. So here you can see this is a free affiliate marketing case study reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that allowed us to earn commissions while we are sleeping without any experience creating products, carrying inventory or dealing with customers. So this page is called the landing page, and the main purpose of this page is to capture people's email address who visit this page, right? So if someone want my free affiliate marketing case study, then they will click here, yes, I want an instant access now. Once they click here, then they need to fill their name and email address. And once they give their name and email address and click here, then I will capture their email address and they will redirect to this page. So this page is also called the bridge page. And here you can see I write important. Be sure to watch this full video to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So here I made a short video, and at the beginning of the video, I tell people that how you can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And later in this video, I talk about Legendary Marketer affiliate program that I am promoting. So I tell people that the CEO of Legendary Marketer, Dev, he is a 8-figure marketer and he created Legendary Marketer 15-day business builder challenge that teaches people how they can start affiliate marketing business in 15 days. So if you want to know more about Legendary Marketer, then click the button below this video. So here is the button. So once someone click here, Then they go to this page. This is the sales page of Legendary Marketer. You can see this is the short presentation from Dev Shap, and once someone watch this short presentation, then they will know that what they will get inside the 15-day business builder challenge. And once they complete the presentation, they click here in the button and they directly go to the checkout page. You can see this is the checkout page of the 15-day business builder challenge, which is only for $7. So if someone come on this page and purchase a 15-day challenge for $7, then I will get a little $2 commission. But if someone purchases a $7 challenge, then later the Legendary Marketer sales team will introduce them a more high ticket courses like a $2,000 and $3,000 courses. And if someone purchase the course, then I will get a $1,000 commission because I generate a lead. So that's why I get a $1,000 commission without selling any high ticket products. That's why Legendary Marketer is the best affiliate program to promote, because Legendary Marketer gives people a great education, as well as if you want to promote Legendary Marketer as an affiliate, then you will also get a $1,000 commission without selling any high ticket courses. But not all the people will purchase a $7 challenge at the first time. Suppose if I drive 100 people traffic in this page, then only 2 to 3 people will purchase at the first time, and 97% of people will not purchase. But no worries, because we already captured their name and email address here, so we can follow up with them in future. So now I will show you in step 4 that you need to create an email automation to follow up with the people who enter their name and email address into this page. So here you can see this is the software that I am using to build my landing pages as well as my email automation, and this is the free software until you have a 2000 email subscribers into your list. So if you want to check out this software, then check the link in the description below. So here you can see I'm getting leads every single day. Here you can see 8 leads, 3 leads, 4 leads, right? So I'm getting people's email address every single day. Now I will show you my email automation sequence. So once I click on emails and go to campaigns, then you can see this is a Legendary Marketer case study. This is my email automation, and I already have a 23 pre-written email into my email automation. So if I click here, then here you can see this is all the emails that if someone enter their name and email into this page, then they will get all these emails every single day, one by one. And the main purpose of my email automation is to remove people's objection, give people additional training, and show them other people's payment proof. That's how I can increase my conversion rate. So here you can see the first email is I give people the access of my free affiliate marketing case study that I promised them into all of my videos, right? So once they got this email and then they click here inside the email, then they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, right? And then I have a lots of emails. Here you can see in this email, proof is Legendary Marketer legit. So once I click here, then here in this email, I tell people that the CEO of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shap, featured in Entrepreneur magazine, right? And Entrepreneur magazine is very big magazine. So if Dev Shap, which is the CEO of Legendary Marketer, got a chance to feature in this magazine, then this program is definitely not a scam, right? So I tell people that this is a legit program, and this program help you and give you the online education to make money online as an affiliate marketer, right? And if someone click here, then they directly go to the sales page of the Legendary Marketer, and once they click here and purchase a $7 challenge, then I will get a $2 commission. And here you can see I have a lots of emails. Here proof affiliate marketing works. So once someone click here, then they got this email, right? And once someone click inside the email, then they come to this page. Read this page carefully. Here I take a screenshot from Legendary Marketer Facebook group that people who took the training from Legendary Marketer are making commissions. Here you can see this guy said I made my first ever commission. Here you can see this lady says the only direction is up, celebrating my first commission with Legendary Marketer, right? So people who got a training from Legendary Marketer and implement their training and their education inside their business, and they are making money right now. Here you can see. So Legendary Marketer is a great way to start affiliate marketing. And I forgot to tell you that if you are also a beginner affiliate marketer and you don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way, then I highly recommend you to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study where I show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. And if you want an instant access, then check the link in the description below and get the free affiliate marketing case study. So if you follow these 4 easy steps, then you can promote a high ticket affiliate products and make a high ticket affiliate commission. And if you have any question related to this video, then just comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. And in the last, if you are a new affiliate marketer, then don't forget to check out my free affiliate marketing case study. Check the link in the description below. See you in the next video.